Welcome back, kitchen enthusiast. We're in the kitchen, and we're here to help you decide which cookie stamps to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description below. If there is one food that everyone enjoys, it has to be cookies. They come in various tastes and textures that suit any occasion, such as sugar cookies, shortbread, and festive Linzer cookies. Aside from that, no other snack gives you as much freedom to personalize it as these ones do. Using tools such as cookie stamps can help make your pastries extra special. They come in unique designs and are convenient to use in customizing food. There are tons of cookie stamps out in the market, and to narrow down your choices, the team has gathered the best ones available in the market today. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The cookie stamps that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we've been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The cookie stamps coming in at number 5 on our list is the Home X Cookie Stamp Set. The team would like to highlight that these cookie stamps allow you to personalize your food creations by letting you imprint letters, symbols, and numbers on your cookies. You can use them to add your personal touch to pastries, such as embossing your friends' names, sending happy birthday messages, wishing Christmas greetings, and more, making them perfect for any occasion. These are made from durable plastic, and each set includes 68 letters, 20 numbers, and 8 symbols, with each stamp measuring about 3/8 of an inch only. The premium quality stamps are best used for sugar cookies, but you can also use them to imprint on pie crusts, fondants, pancakes, and many more. Apart from that, they can outline your cakes to help you create beautiful icing dedications. If you love crafting, you can channel your inner creativity and use these stamps on polymer clays, ceramics, and soap. Additionally, you can bond with your kids with these cookie stamps, like baking their favorite cookies with them and doing other fun interactive activities to help them learn about the alphabet and enhance their spelling and counting skills. These are easy to use, and you can either emboss them individually or load the letters all together with their tray to ensure that they're all well aligned. Since these are designed with letters, symbols, and numbers, the In the Kitchen team highly recommends the Home X Cookie Stamp Set if you wish to add sweet messages to your pastries and craft works. In addition to that, if your children love food, these stamps may help your youngsters learn their alphabets and numbers. Overall, the team loved how versatile the stamps are, and for that, we've placed them on the number 5 spot on this top 5 list. The cookie stamps coming in at number 4 on our list is the KAISHANE Christmas-themed Mini Cookie Stamper Set. These cookie stamps are made from non-toxic ABS plastic. They're safe and easy to use and are built with a spring handle that lets you emboss Christmas-themed designs in a single press, making them suitable for novices and experienced bakers alike. The team would like to highlight that the stamp set from KAISHANE is Christmas-themed, with designs including a Christmas tree, snowman, gingerbread, and Santa, to name a few. Each of the stamps measures about 1.5 to 3 inches, and they come in sets of 4 and 8. These stamps are mainly used for baking Christmas cookies, but they're also excellent for pancakes, fondants, fruits, bread, sandwiches, and many more. You can also use these to bake with your children if you wish to spend some time in the kitchen with them. The team highly suggests washing these stamps with warm soapy water and drying them thoroughly before storage to maximize their longevity. In addition to that, these cookie stamps come with a satisfaction guarantee from KAISHANE at the time this video was made, which entitles you to a full refund if you're unsatisfied with your product. The In the Kitchen team highly recommends the KAISHANE Mini Cookie Stamper Set to make Christmas-themed cookies and other food. These stamps would make a perfect baking tool for the holidays, and the team loved how beautiful their patterns are, which earned these stamps the number 4 spot on this top 5 list. The cookie stamps coming in at number 3 on our list is the R&M International Cookie Stampers. The team would like to note that these stamps emboss intricate fall-themed patterns, and they can be used on various materials such as fondant and gum paste, cookies, pies, and craft clay, to name a few. Their patterns include acorn, maple leaf, oak leaf, and generic leaf, making them ideal for the fall. They're available in sets of 4, with each stamp measuring approximately 2 inches long. These beautiful stamps are easy to use. You simply have to imprint a stamp's shape on your dough. Then proceed to cut it out by pressing the plunger. Upon testing, the team liked how easy it was to release the dough after every cut. These stamps are made with heavy-duty plastic, stainless steel, and aluminum, so the team suggests placing a cutting board beneath your dough when using these to avoid damaging your countertops. You may also want to hand wash the stamps and completely dry them before storing for optimal upkeep. Aside from that, if you like using these cookie stamps for your pastries, R&M International has a lot more designs for different occasions at a very affordable price. If you're planning to hold a gathering or party in the fall, the In the Kitchen team highly recommends the R&M International cookie stampers. The team loved how detailed their patterns are, and we think these would especially look good in freshly baked pies for Thanksgiving dinners. We also appreciate how these stampers are convenient to use because of their plungers, which is why the team has placed this product in the number 3 spot on this top 5 list. The cookie stamps coming in at number 2 on our list is the Nordic Ware Geocast cookie stamps. The Nordic Ware Geocast cookie stamps come in sets of 3 and each measures about 3 inches in diameter and weighs 0.9 pounds. These stamps feature unique symmetrical geometric patterns that'll surely make your cookies and pastries beautiful and appetizing. Not to mention, these are proudly US-made with sturdy and long-lasting cast aluminum with wooden handles. The company also offers other stamp designs, but the team found the Geocast stamp patterns to be the most remarkable. These cookie stamps are best used in freshly made cookie doughs than ready-made ones. They're easy to use. You just have to press them onto your dough to emboss their intricate patterns. The team suggests applying a thin coat of oil on these stamps before using them to prevent the dough from sticking. In addition to that, we recommend hand washing the stamps, avoiding submerging their handles in water, and carefully drying them to maintain their premium quality. Nordic Ware takes pride in the quality and durability of its products. These stamps were covered by a lifetime warranty at the time of making this video, covering unexpected costs of repair. The In the Kitchen team loved the Nordic Ware Geocast cookie stamps for their heavy-duty structure, and we think this would be suitable not only for baking pastries at home, but also for commercial use. In addition to that, the team likes to highlight how detailed the patterns are on these cookie stamps. With all these fantastic features, the team has given this product the number 2 spot on this top 5 list. And finally, we come to the number 1 cookie stamps on our list, the FANGSUN cookie stamp. These cookie stamps are made from food-grade plastic and they measure about 2 by 2 inches each. They're non-toxic and durable and can be used by both adults and children. Compared with the Home X cookie stamps, the FANGSUN stamps are bigger in size, so instead of simply imprinting messages on your dough, you can also shape cookies and pastries into different capital and lowercase letters and numbers using various designs. Besides cookies, the stamps are ideal for fondant cake decorations, sugar paste, marzipan, and more. They suit any occasion, but our team finds them ideal for children's parties. You can also use these stamps to create toys for your kids. They're user-friendly and they're built with a plunger that allows you to cut dough quickly. They're also designed with grip handles to help you get better control when cutting. In addition to that, they're easy to clean. We suggest washing these stamps in warm, soapy water before allowing them to air dry for proper maintenance. The FANGSUN cookie stamps are versatile and can be used for many types of food. However, the In the Kitchen team highly recommends these cookie stamps for making cake toppers, especially for small to medium kiddie birthday cakes. You can also use these to personalize pastries with names and short greetings. Overall, the team loved how practical and efficient the FANGSUN cookie stamps are, which earned them the number 1 spot on this top 5 list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 cookie stamps which got our team at In the Kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next cookie stamps roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.